Let me guide you in how to subscribe to the platform. Type calmacampus.com. Then choose the red flag and in the menu go to My Account. Create a username, type your email address and create a password. Choose as a user online, type your date of birth, really Alba, 2000, your name, surname, address, city, state, zip code, telephone number, and check in. Once you're checked in, you will see that you are already in the platform. On your left, you will see the menu with all the options that you will be able to edit during the subscription. In the menu, click on Hub and read the explanation about the program. Go at the end of this page and subscribe. Now we enter the paying chart. Add to chart, complete purchase, fill all your billing details, fill your credit card number, expiration date and code, and buy. Then in the menu, click on to Studio Online, where all the videos have been published. Yoga, stretching, meditation, training, and all the live classes that are also recorded for you to enjoy later. In the Hub, you will also find the live menu that will link you to the Zoom directly. Subscribe with your own email, and there you go. You are live. Hello, welcome to Calma Campus. My name is Alba Balada, and in this session today we're going to do a little combination in between training, stretching, and a lot of yoga.